when Freddie Mercury faced off with the Sex Pistols' Sid Vicious and won. It's 1977 at Wessex Sound Studios. Queen is rocking News of the World. The Sex Pistols are unleashing Never Mind the Bollocks. Suddenly, Sid Vicious crashes into Queen's session. Smirking, he fires, "Have you succeeded in bringing ballet to the masses yet?" Freddie Mercury, unflustered and fabulous, locks eyes with Sid. With razor-sharp wit, he declares, "We're doing our best, Simon Ferocious." This wasn't just a meeting of two music icons. It was punk chaos versus glam confidence, and Freddie proved sequins don't crack under pressure. Love both bands? Hit like, share, and comment your favorite legendary comeback.